Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be a review and kind of like a demonstration tutorial on how to use the new L'Oreal Paris Infallible Magic Pigments. I'm like trying not to get tongue twisted. Pretty much what they are these little jars of pigment that you can put on your eyes and on your lips. Now I have not tried this on my cheeks, which I'm sure there's going to be someone who is talented enough to do that, but I cannot because I would literally get streaks. As soon as this pigment hits your skin, it turns into a cream. It's really cool, and I'm thinking that's where they get their the magic name from. So there are 15 of these bad boys. I'm not even holding all 15 of them. There's a ton of them. Now some of these I did have to go over again because I either had to switch a brush or I felt like, yeah, I wasn't doing a really good technique of swatching. I wish I had an awesome lens where you can get really close into the powder. You'll see, or at least I hope you would see, because I was like, whoa! I'm just gonna go through all 15 of them and then I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. But if you guys wanna jump ahead, I'll make sure to timestamp for you because I know I really appreciate timestamps in videos, especially if they're pretty long. So enjoy!
She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try again. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I ain't never gonna give you up. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up.
So it's just a one-step application. There's no fuss to these pigments. Now I'm sure you can, you know, put them like in the crease or put them on the lid, but for the most part, I just feel like these are a one and done situations. Like if you need to be somewhere really quick and you want to look extra glam and really nice, or maybe you're new to makeup, this is a great thing, especially because I feel like you didn't really need a base for them. I didn't base my arms for the swatches, so it's just 100% the pigments themselves. So it really is like a one-step application. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the number 442 Gold Digger all over my lids, and like I said, it's kind of messy when you go back in. A lot of the powder just wants to, I mean, it was difficult for me to get it back in the hole. Kind of wish it was a lot easier to take the lid off, so it was possible for me to pour the powder back out because I just don't have a lot of brushes that are small enough to fit into the hole. So when I pour it out like this, it's difficult to return it and to actually use it. It's interesting though. I really like the way that the powders feel when you're doing lips because it really does change the texture. It gets like really creamy and almost turns into like an oil-based product from powder, which is really weird, but it's super cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush here and just load up my brush and just tap off any of the excess powder. Not too much, because that's what you actually need. If you take off too much, it's not gonna really do very much on your lid. So it's nice and loaded up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cover my entire lid. I need a mirror.
I give you what you want, girl, I'll take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say
Then I'm gonna take like a blending brush and just blend some of that out, just so there's not any rough, harsh lines here. This is called Red Tape number 466. So I'm gonna throw some of this powder in here.
I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. No, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try again. Giving you up. No, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try. Giving you up. No.
So it feels really good on my lips. I really like the way that it feels. It's kind of moisturizing. Like I said, it quickly goes from like powder to a creamy substance as soon as you do a swipe, which is so cool. The technology is like really fun. The pigment is really vibrant, and the only thing that I'm apprehensive about is like if I'm wearing a white shirt and I'm trying to apply this, if anything falls out, which this is unavoidable because it is a powder product, I would just be worried about fallout. And so far, so good. I mean, it feels amazing on my lips. So cool that it instantly turns into a cream. Now, I don't know how this would work if you were out and about and you need to retouch. Kind of a mess if that little sifter, or if you use the cap to collect your product, gets everywhere, because as soon as it touches your skin, okay, as soon as it touches your skin, instantly, I mean, it's everywhere and it wants just to become a cream. So this can be problematic. So maybe in photographs, maybe if you're not going too far, or you're going to be in your right mind and you can have the patience to be really careful about it, then totally an amazing product. Or maybe the product can be in one of those like those clicking kind of lipstick applicators, kind of like they have for, yeah, they have like clicking pens or clicking concealers. Maybe it was something like that where you can click it into a brush and apply it and then put the top on. Do you know what I'm saying? Overall, I like it. I just feel like they could definitely make it easier to use and easier to not make a mess. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yourself. I know I did. I really love getting messy and kind of, you know, taking my time. It's super therapeutic to do these swatching. So if you guys really like this video, maybe I'll do some more swatching in the future. Definitely with more up and coming products, not anything that's old, because I don't think anybody would want to see anything old. So if you guys see any new products or palettes or anything that you would like to see swatches of, let me know, girl. I got your back. And thank you, like always, so much for spending time with me and watching and supporting my channel. And hopefully you guys will stick around for more in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.